Invideo is an online video editing tool that allows businesses across all industries to create videos with custom content and branding and share them across social platforms and websites. It offers advanced editing options, pre-built templates, and a content library of images and videos, from online repositories including Storyblocks and Shutterstock, to utilize. The library of over 1,500 pre-built templates provides video templates that can be customized for any business need, including marketing, events planning, promotions, branding, Instagram stories, and more. Within Invideo, users can create videos using images, stickers, text boxes, transitions, layers, voiceovers, and other elements, preview edits, and publish or export finalized videos once complete. Videos can be made in any language and can be any duration up to a limit of 15 minutes. The automated text-to-speech functionality allows users to input text and transform it into voiceovers, with a choice of pre-recorded voices in various languages. Invideo also offers reports and analytics on metrics such as social reach, impressions, total videos by social media platforms, and more, to help businesses gain a better understanding of video performance.